Hello, hello, hello. How are my loyal followers of this YouTube channel, The Perfect Numbers Curve? I promised all of you, my people, that I was going to make this video again to better show you this table so that you can see the little numbers. Since you have been blowing up my DMs asking me to please upload this table, I am putting it exactly perfectly so that you can see it. Look. Look closely, friend. It has its capture. Look, we are putting it there perfectly since many people were telling me that they couldn't see these last numbers well. Look closely at the last numbers there. Look. See the last numbers that you were telling me you couldn't see? Look at it. Observe it well there. For the people who are new, excuse me, and don't understand the table. Look, my people, for example, if 91 comes out. Look, my friend and friends, if 91 comes out, it means that it strongly brings me the number 4805, which you can see there well that I have the number. I have it in red. That means that 91 stronger gives me that 05 comes out more. 05. That's why I put it in red, because it's the strong number. If 91 comes out, attention Costa Rica, the Tica, my people, Nicaragua, my people from Honduras, if 91 comes out, it attracts the number 4805. That is the strongest since it's in red. There I am explaining the table more in detail so you can see it. Look closely at the table there. My people, my audience, look further ahead. I will show it to you much better, where you can appreciate it fully. Excellent shot, so you can see the table, and thus you can obtain the numbers from this table. My people, I ask you please, before anything, to raise your hand up. Raise your hand up. Support this YouTube channel, since we are making a great effort to show you this table. Raise your hand up, please. Show your support. Share the broadcast with more friends and family so they can learn about my numerology and more people can win with this table, since it is very, but very strong and very powerful, and many people are going to win with it. Many people who follow me on this YouTube channel are going to fill their pockets with this table, so please share the broadcast. Look, if you see that it came out in Tica, it came out in Nica, it came out in the Dominican Republic, look for me because 5219 is coming. Look for 5219, stronger 19 is coming. If you notice, it came out in the Dominican Republic. Once 19 came out, it is the red number. Look at it there. 19 came out right away because that table is very strong and very powerful. 2009, that table is a knife for the bankers. That table is a delight. Look, that table is strong and powerful, so that the whole audience can win. Look, I am giving you a pan view of all the numbers. At the end of the broadcast, I will show you the complete table. I will show you the complete table so you can see it interestingly. So you can take your capture and so you can see the little numbers that this table gives, which are very good. Let's suppose that the daily draw in Honduras comes out with the number 43. I'm going to give you 43. Yes, friend, if you saw that 43 was drawn in Honduras, look for that number 98. Look for that number 31 that is going out of the draw. Pick it up, my people. It's going out of the draw. This table is very, very good and very powerful. I recommend it to all my followers. I want to remind you that we are making this table, giving away this table again, since many people asked me to please give them this table, and here we are, giving the table away again, so that you can see it much better, and thus you can win with it. So please look at the table, observe it and see it. This is how you want me to show it to you. So look at it well there, friend. Look at the table well there. Take it, it's yours. Look at it there. That is only done by the curve of perfect numbers. Look at the complete table there as you wanted to see it. There is the curve, so that you can see the table. Look at it there perfectly as I am giving it to you completely for free. The curve of perfect numbers. Look at the strong and powerful table so that you can fill your pockets. The only numerologist who gives his power. The only numerologist who reveals some of his AC that he has up his sleeve. Strong and powerful table. Look at it there. Pick it up. Look at it there. Look at it there. I set that table on fire. Pick up that table for me, friends, because that table is for you to fill your pockets, for you to win, for you to gain. Look at the table well there. There we are definitely putting it so that you can absolutely win with it and fill your pockets. So there we are going to leave the table for you to observe it very well and in great detail. Look at it and see the table there so that you can win with it. Table 2023 for you to fill your pockets. My dear friends, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Millionaire table. There is the best table of 2023 for you to fill your pockets. Here we are fulfilling our followers' requests. As our followers kindly asked me to upload the table, look there as I just gave it to you. This is how you wanted the table. Look at it, friend. We are giving it to you. Look there, the table we are giving you. Look at it well there. That table. That millionaire table. That table valid for Costa Rica. The Tica. Table valid for Nicaragua. The Nica. Table valid for the daily in Honduras. Table valid for the daily in Honduras. Table valid for the lottery in New York. Table valid for my people in Cuba. Table valid for my Cubans. Table valid for my people in Panama. Table valid for the whole world that wants to win with this table. You can follow up and you will see that you are going to win with those little numbers. Now pay attention, my friend. Don't think that you are going to fill your pockets every day. No, because I am not like other numerologists who are very talkative, who tell you that it is certain that you will win every time a certain number comes out that you are going to cash in, and that they are looking for 48, looking for 93, 59. No, wait, friend. Now that you are going to win with it, you will realize that you are going to win more than how you used to play normally. You will notice right away that you should follow up on that table. You will see how you are going to start kicking the bank and start winning and filling your pockets. That's why I am giving you this table for free so that you can win. So good luck. Many blessings. I am keeping my word. Good luck. Many blessings. I hope you all give me your like. I hope you all give me your like, as I fulfilled my promise to show you the table completely for free. Look at how I just delivered it to you for free, so that all of you can see it. So good luck. Many, many blessings for you, your family, and your loved ones. Blessings.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.